There's been a lot of controversy about content writers losing their jobs to AI. I mean, ChatGPT and his brothers just came out of the blues and almost pulled all the content writers out of the industry. However, it is safe to say that AI is not taking your job as a content writer, but there are things you need to know. All right, content writing has changed. There's been a lot of updates. Something is going on that is different from what you used to know. All right, the purpose of this video is to tell you what has changed in the content writing world, all right, so that you can know how to adjust your work, adjust your principles of operation, so that you can know how to stay relevant as a content writer in 2024. All right, so we are getting started shortly. However, in case you're seeing this channel for the first time, I talk about content writing and how you can monetize your content writing career. So if you're interested in content like this, then you definitely want to click the subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so that you can stay informed whenever I put out new content. Bravo! Let's get into the video. The first thing that has changed in the content writing world is it might be time to niche down. Guys, generalist writers are great. However, it seems like specialist writers are irreplaceable. Now hear me out. All right, now if you write about everything, that's good. I mean, if you're a multi-niche writer, you can write about the sun, you can write about Pluto, you can write about the planet, you can write about geography, you can write about politics, you can write about digital marketing, anything at all you can write about. That's great. That's a good skill. However, the new world that AI has introduced to us has shown us that there is a special favoritism toward specialist content writers. All right, so for instance, if you love pets and you know a lot about pets and you can focus on writing about pets, then you are going to get, some sort of advantage when people that are looking for the kind of content you want are looking for you. By the way, I'm shooting in my fake background. I did a video about that, explaining it in detail, so you can watch that video and come back and let's get this one finished. Of course, by now you know that AI does almost everything. All right, somebody can easily go to ChatGPT and impute a very good prompt, all right, and ChatGPT will whip up content about any general blog. However, if your niche is more specialized, then you get some sort of advantage because there are some experiences you must have gained through this time of writing in this niche. All right, there are some experiences, there are some personal skills you'd have that will make you a preferred candidate to ChatGPT. All right, so yes, the world right now is favoring specialist content writer, so it might be time to niche down. And yes, by niching down, I don't just mean you need to focus on writing only blogs or focus on writing only social media copy. No, that's not what I mean. I mean, you can write general content. However, you might want to pick a specific subject matter that you want to learn about. All right, so you can decide that you want to talk about pets, or you want to talk about furniture, or you want to talk about the ecosystem, or just something that you have in-depth knowledge about, you have some skills and experience with. All right, you might want to transform this to a specialist niche that you focus on as a content writer, and then build your portfolio in this direction. This way, trust me, when business owners come looking for freelance writers, they are more particular about specialist content writers right now. All right, so if someone has a pet blog and they're looking to hire a freelance writer, they would rather go and select a specialized pet content writer than hire a generalist writer. Do you get the point? So yes, it might be a good time to start thinking about specializing. You know what else has changed in the content writing industry? It's content repurposing time. You guys, this is the time when you can take a single post, turn it into a thought leadership post for LinkedIn, turn it into a video for YouTube, turn it into a blog post for Medium, turn it into a carousel for Instagram. This is the time when content repurposing is doing so well. All right, so one of the things you need to learn to incorporate is content repurposing, which brings me to a very important point. Improve your skills. Learn other skills, take on other skills that are related to content writing. All right, so if you write content, there's nothing stopping you from learning how to create content as well. All right, so you can create video content, you can learn how to edit content, you can learn how to create special social media posts. All right, there's nothing stopping you from adding related skills. You can learn how to do graphics design. I mean, the basic designs could put a few extra bucks in your pocket. All right, so now this is the time where content repurposing is very important. This gives you a chance to increase your sources of income. All right, so you can write content. So if a client comes to you and say, I want a content writing job, all right, you can do that. But if you then notice that the person has no posts on social media, you can come in and say, oh, I also create content for social media. I can create a content calendar for you and make posts for you on social media. If you notice that the person has a YouTube and the YouTube is a bit dormant, you can step in and say, oh, I write video scripts. Can I write video scripts for your YouTube so you can publish this as a YouTube post as well? You know, this way you've just turned one job opportunity into 3 different job opportunities. All right, so by repurposing content, you're able to scale your income as a freelance writer. Something else that you need to know about this new world of content writing is that you need to learn how to use AI. Yes, guys, AI is not your enemy. AI could be a sweet, trusted friend. Trust me, guys, when AI came out newly, I had a big bias against AI. I didn't like AI. I was like, this guy is here stopping my jobs, you know. But I mean, as time went on, I started to realize the importance, the use of AI. Take for instance my favorite platform, Perplexity. You guys know how much I love that platform. Yeah, so Perplexity has helped me so many times to be able to write high quality content. All right, so now you should be thinking about collaborating with AI to write content instead of going there and copying and pasting. All right, the goal is not to go and copy and paste. The goal is to collaborate, work together with AI. So you need to take up new skills. You need to learn how to prompt AI properly. You need to know how to edit AI content. You know, you just need to know how to work with AI. There's another update for you. Now, this new wave is separating low quality writers from high quality writers. AI is separating the good writers from the bad ones. Okay, so now is the time when you really need to perfect this your writing skill. There's no time, there's really no place on the internet for half-baked content. Or you are a content writer, how much of content writing do you know? If people can get any content from AI, so why come to you? There needs to be something you are providing for them. There needs to be some sort of added value, okay? And you can only do this when your content is really producing value, when your content produces results. All right, so something I'm going to advise you to do is learn this art of writing and learn it properly, learn it very well. Make a goal that you want to be the best writer in your niche. All right, so you want to start taking in SEO seriously. You want to start taking in content formatting seriously, editing. All of those mistakes and errors, you need to ditch them and focus on only providing high value content. AI is not taking your job, don't worry. Like when the whole influx started, when there was so much AI generated tools, AI content everywhere, you know, I'm not even going to lie, I started to feel a bit panic. I was like, what is this guy doing? This guy is about to steal my job. And I even lost some clients. I lost some clients to AI, and I have a lot of my fellow writers that I know lost some clients to AI as well. So it really hits the industry. However, fortunately for us, people have come to realize that there is a human touch that we bring. There is something that a human does to the content that AI cannot do. All right, so they've come to realize our value, and I hear that some clients are coming back. I personally I've had one of my clients come back to me and be like, are you still open for a deal? And I'm like, I thought you left me. You betrayed me. Yeah, but then clients are starting to call their writers back. They've realized that AI is a tool. It's not a replacement. It's just an assistance tool. All right, so yeah, don't be scared. I mean, just learn how to work with AI. Just go through this video carefully and see how you can incorporate all the steps I've shared here into your content writing journey, and you'll do just fine. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for staying up till the end of this video. I'm sure you've liked and subscribed by now, and if you haven't, please do well to subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, I will be in the comment section to answer all your questions. See you in my next video. Bye.